We are very excited to be able to see you again. When you walk in the building, you will notice some things that look a little bit different. When you arrive, pull into a designated parking space at your reservation time. If you walk to the center, go to the check-in station at or inside the entrance door. An NCS staff member will confirm your reservation and issue a daily health screening and temperature check. At the front desk, an NCS staff member will ask you to sign a liability statement before you may enter the center. Once you have passed both screenings, you will be asked to use hand sanitizer and wear a face covering prior to entering the center. Once inside the center, you may use the multipurpose room, meeting room, gym, and fitness room for self-directed activities only. While using the gym, please bring your own equipment and maintain 10 feet of social distance. Note that fitness rooms will have cardio and strength training equipment available, but no free weights. These changes are made to keep you safe. The first thing you'll notice is the plexiglass in the front desk. The staff will be wearing face masks at all times. There will be signs on the floor to encourage social distancing. There will be hand sanitizers available. Instructions and specific times will be designed for hand washing. To encourage social distancing, some computers will not be available. The keyboard and chair will be put away, and there will be a sign that says stop. We will make sure your computer space is clean before and after you use it. These changes are necessary for your safety. We can't wait to see you again.